Welcome to the student registration page of COEP Technological University for international students. All the students who are interested in COEP Technological University and its offered courses, they can apply here. To register, student need to visit the website, that is coep.admissiondesk.org, and complete the registration of their application. In this video, we will explain on how to complete the registration process, payment process, etc. To start with the registration, student needs to enter their full name as it is printed on the mark sheet, father's guardian first name and mother's first name. Please note, once the student name is entered and confirmed, it cannot be edited again. Select gender. Applicants must select the correct student category, as the documentation and the application form is based on the category you choose. You can scroll over each category for a detailed description. Login credentials: kindly input your active email ID. All the communication for your admission will be emailed on this email ID. Your email ID will be your login ID as well. Enter your mobile number and WhatsApp number. University will communicate with you through your inputted mobile number or via email. So review the inputted details before you proceed ahead. Please use these login credentials to access your account and check the status of your application. Before proceeding, please read and accept the terms and conditions. Please enter the OTP that you received on your mobile or email. Sometimes the mail would land in your spam or junk folder. Once the registration is completed, applicant will receive the OTP, one-time password, on their registered email address and contact number and verify the same by inputting the OTP. Post-verification, student needs to log in again with their registered email address and password set by them to complete the final registration process.